Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Cashplus Bank. Cashplus Bank offers current accounts, business accounts, and other financial services primarily aimed at individuals, freelancers, and small businesses. They focus on providing accessible banking solutions, including online and mobile banking, debit cards, and international payments. Key features appear to include easy account opening and various account management tools. Their website, cashplus.com, provides details about their different account types and services. They emphasize ease of use and transparent pricing, highlighting no monthly fees for their basic current account and no hidden charges. They position themselves as a modern alternative to traditional banks, offering greater flexibility and accessibility. Availability is limited to UK residents and businesses, and you can check eligibility on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Cashplus Bank. I decided to try them out for my freelance income, opening a basic current account. The online application process was surprisingly smooth. It took about 10 minutes to fill out the necessary details and verify my identity. I received my account details within a couple of days, and my debit card arrived shortly after. Navigating the online banking interface was pretty intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays your balance, recent transactions, and upcoming payments. Transferring funds between accounts was easy, and I appreciated the real-time transaction updates. The mobile app is also well designed and provides most of the functionality of the desktop version, allowing me to manage my finances on the go. Performance-wise, the app and online banking were both reliable and reasonably fast. I never experienced any downtime or significant delays. I did have a quick question about international transfers, and their customer support responded within a day via email, answering my question clearly and concisely. I was really impressed by how easy it was to set up direct debits and standing orders. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time transaction notifications, which gave me a good overview of my spending. One minor drawback was the limited number of in-person branch locations, but this wasn't a major issue for me as I primarily bank online. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Cashplus Bank. It offers a convenient and user-friendly banking solution, especially for freelancers and small businesses. That's my overview of Cashplus Bank. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.